Hi guys, it's Amy with A to Z Stamping, and today I'm doing a card for you using the Happy Tail stamp set. It's a photopolymer stamp set, so it's clear. Isn't this so cute? So it has the dog sentiments for if someone loses their dog or not. There's a cute dog house, and there is a coordinating dog punch right here. So cute, right? So I thought I'd show you this fun little card. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut out our dog. So I have just a piece of basic black cardstock, just a little scrap piece. And I'm not even going to stamp the dog. I just want like a silhouette of the dog. So I'm just going to cut him out here with my punch. The punch does also have has the dog, and there's a heart. So I'm just going to put that in there and punch. Woo. See, so I have the dog and the heart. And there's also, if you wanted to use the negative, you could. So that's kind of cool. And then obviously if you stamp the dog, it does cut him out perfectly as well. But we're just going to use this guy. I don't even need the little heart. So I'm going to set that aside. Then I have a piece of Whisper White cardstock. And this is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. And what we're going to do is I'm actually going to take a piece of the... Let's see, what would this be? This would be the Settles Designer Series paper pack. And this is one of the Calypso Coral pieces. So in the Settles pack, you can get the Designer Series paper in Settles, Regals, Neutrals, or you get the In Colors, and you can get the, what did I forget? The Brights. So this one's from the Settles. Like I said, it's Calypso Coral. And this measures 5 1/4 by 1 inch. And I'm going to use this little gingham side. I think it's pretty cute. And I'm going to stick some adhesive down here. Okay. And I'm just going to put this right across the bottom, or not the bottom, but sort of the middle bottom. Right here, line that up. Straight across. Okay. And then I'm going to take my dog, and I'm going to stick some dimensionals on him. It's kind of a weird way that I'm doing this, but it's just how my mind's working right now. So let's stick some dimensionals on the doggy. Peel that off. This is a really simple card. And he's going to go, let's see, right here. Cute. Isn't he cute? All right, then I'm going to take my Memento ink. And we're going to grab the sentiment that says, a best friend leaves a paw print on your heart. So I have a friend whose dog he's getting very old. And I think this will be a sweet card to give her. So I'm going to go ahead and just stamp this right here. There we go. Perfect. And I will grab the chamois to clean that off. All clean. See how clean that is? Perfect. I love the chamois. Then I'm going to grab the little paw print and the little heart. And I'm just going to stamp some of those right down here at the bottom. So let's go 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then let's do some of the hearts. Let's go. How do we want to do this guy? Let's go 1 and 2. That looks good. Grab the chamois again and clean these 2 little guys off. All right. All right, those look nice and clean. Actually, this one, now he looks clean. Okay. Put the lid back on my ink. All right, for my card base, I have a piece of Calypso Coral cardstock, 8 1/2 by 5 1/2. Fold it over. Use my bone folder. All right, and then we're just going to grab this guy, put some adhesive. And he's going right on top. And that is going to be our super quick and easy card. But isn't that sweet? A best friend leaves a paw print on your heart. Isn't that so cute? And here's one I did earlier. It's almost the same. I have a few more little hearts on the bottom. But I thought he turned out cute. I love that little dog punch. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this really quick video and that you'll subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks, guys. Bye.